Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to add audio track in Shotcut. It's very simple. Have you ever run into this problem where you just want to add your music to your video, and when you drop it like this, it will cover up your video, add to this V1 track instead of creating a A1 track. It's really annoying, so to fix it, just right click somewhere here, click on track operations and add audio track. This will add this audio track, and you can basically just drag and drop your audio right now here, and it's basically here. It's really simple. Now if you want to remove this track, just make sure it's selected like so, right click, track operation and remove track. So it's really this simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I hope to see you in the next tutorials. Write me down in a comment what you want to see next and how can I help you more. Thank you again, and bye bye.